Hello and welcome back to a new school week after the half-term holiday. We hope everybody had a good break away from school, and it's been nice to see everybody getting on with lots of different learning things this week. Some new projects have been started, the weather's a bit better, which always makes life a little bit nicer. We've got some awards to give out today, so we're going to start with Mrs. Allen's class. So congratulations to Toby Bailey. Toby, it says you've worked really hard on pronouncing your sounds and Mrs. Allen's really proud of you, so well done to you. And somebody else has made a great model of a fire engine that has a moving hose pipe and all sorts of things on it. He knows who it is, but just for everybody else's benefit, I'm sure we can give Ethan Hampson a massive round of applause. Well done, Ethan. Congratulations to you.
Hello everybody. Okay, so looking at Mrs. Hugel's class today, we've got Eloise Davidson for working hard on your maths this week. You found lots of things to measure in your house and you've included everybody, even your dog. Fantastic. And this one goes to somebody for great concentration on their phonics and maths in school, as well as working hard at home too. Well done, Daniel Jones.
Okay, next up, Mrs. Croft's class and Mrs. Weeks' class. And Erica Swift has worked really hard helping other children in the class with things that they find a bit tricky, so well done to you, Erica. Amelia Baker has done some fantastic cooking at home. She's made some cheese scones for her teddy bear's picnic, so congratulations to you two.
Okay, so Miss Hillary's class now. We've got Sophie Charlton, pushing yourself, Sophie, in all areas of home learning. Fantastic. We also have somebody here working really hard on her maths and English at home. So we've got great home learners this week in Miss Hillary's class, and that award goes to Noah Piercy.
You two. And as you can see, I'm holding the teddy bear that our cleaners give out each week to the class who keep everywhere the tidiest. And this week, Miss Hillary's class, you have been chosen for your good job at keeping your classroom and everywhere around school clean and tidy. So well done to Miss Hillary's class. You get the teddy bear. Right, it's me up next, isn't it? Miss Lewis's class. Miss Lewis's class have been working really hard on all sorts of things this week, but somebody who's put 100% effort into his work in school and at home is Harry North, so well done, Harry. And then Holly Wright has been really helpful this week with helping Mrs. Etherington doing lots of different things in the classroom, so congratulations, Holly, for your hard work and getting your certificate.
Super, so we've got Miss Payne's class now, got 3 this week. First one goes to Lucas Seymour. Lucas, you've written several fantastic kenning poems this week, and your handwriting is 10 out of 10. Fantastic. We have an award for Ava Taylor. Ava's found home learning some tricky at times, but she's really impressed Miss Payne with her positive attitude and hard work. It says that Miss Payne's very proud of you, Ava. Well done. Award goes to somebody for serenading the class with their fantastic piano skills during our class chat this week. So well done for practicing lots during lockdown, Darcy Curry.
Yeah, well done, Darcy. In Mrs. Bratnam's class and Mrs. Everett's class, this award goes to 2 boys who worked really hard all week, have been really enthusiastic and tried their very best. So Mrs. Etherington's been really impressed with you boys, so well done to Niall and Isaac Jackson. Congratulations.
So looking at my class, Mrs. Howe's class now, we've got Blake Preston for showing a keen interest in our new theme of allotments, completing lots of research for our secret garden, and the passion and care you've shown, Blake, has been fantastic. We are all super proud of you.
Well done.
And we also have somebody here, so they're new this week and they've had an amazing start. They've made loads of friends already and they've really impressed us with their enthusiasm to their learning, and that is Evie Simmons. Well done.
Mrs. Seal's class, we have a young lady who's been working really hard on her online tasks, and you've impressed Mrs. Seal. Congratulations, Lucy Stein. Well done, Lucy, to you. Another young man who has worked really hard to get to the top of the chart every day, working very well with other people, trying his best. Congratulations to Wasim.
Okay, last but not least, we've got Mrs. Clark's class. So we've got Jamie Jones. Been really impressed, Jamie, with your maths this week. The fabulous resilience and hard work that you've shown for your learning, so keep it up. And we have got an award here for fantastic effort with their work, working really hard actually to write a great haiku poem. Well done, Jensen McNichol.
Okay, speaking of poems, next week is World Book Day. Mrs. Clark has been organising some exciting tasks for everybody to do, whether you're at home or in school. There's a couple of competitions, there's a couple of silly little quizzes and other things that you will get to find out about next week. I hope everybody keeps working hard next week. It's the last week before we're all back together, so it'll be great if we can finish the lockdown period with some really hard work from everybody, and we will look forward to seeing everybody back in school pretty soon.
Okay, and just before we finish, just to get your brains in gear this morning, a little fun activity. It's a game called What Am I? So you've got to look at the pictures and guess what they are. So that's next.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed that little bit of fun at the end of our assembly today, and we will look forward to seeing you all next week and giving out some new awards. So we will see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.